Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you in a very simple tutorial how to set the time on a Casio F105 digital watch. Once again, this will be a digital watch tutorial for beginners, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, this is the Casio Illuminator, also known as the Casio F105 digital watch. And setting the time on this watch is super duper easy. So let me show you how to do it very simplistically. Now, as you can see right here, there are essentially three buttons: top left, and bottom right. Okay, so I'll be referring to those buttons and just be prepared to press them. You're going to press the bottom left button, okay, which is the mode button. Press it continually until you get to the seconds flashing over here. I'll show you once again. We're at just the main screen that shows the time. We're going to cycle through the alarm, through the timer or chronograph feature right there. And then one more time brings us to this screen right here, which is the seconds are flashing. Now, essentially when you're on this screen, you are ready to set the time. Now, basically, you can press the top left button to cycle through what portion of the time or date you will be setting. And then you're going to press the bottom right button to advance it by one thing, okay? So if I press the top left button, you can see we're going from seconds to hours to minutes, okay, to month, to the date over there, to like the date of the month, and then to one more to the day of the week. And then back, when I press it again, back to seconds over here. So let's say I wanted to change it to 11:31. So I'm going to leave it at 11, okay? And we're going to change to 11:31 p.m. So I'm going to press this to advance it, and it goes to 28, 29, 30, 31. Let's just go to 32, 11:32. Keep it very simple. Okay, nice even number. When you're done setting the time to whatever you want to set it to, all that you have to do is push the mode button once again, and that is going to sort of set it to that time. So I'm going to press this once again. You hear the beep, it stops flashing, and you're good to go. As you can see right there, we've set the time on the Casio F105 digital watch. It's literally that simple, and I've shown you exactly how to do it in this video tutorial. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a nice big healthy thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.